start again. It's a red skin.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I've got a little package from Kredioo. This is their third set of gel nail art liner gels that they've brought out. I love these ones. These have got some like deeper nudie tone kind of colours, and they've got the most beautiful, prettiest, shimmery, glittery ones in there. So this is the first pack of liner gels that they brought out with your staple colours like your black, red, white, and then it had a little set of kind of bright colours in there. And then this was the second set that they brought out. It had your perfect rainbow colours, and it had 6 glow in the darks. So this third one is full of Christmas shimmery glittery goodness. So I'm just going to show you this red first because it was beautiful. Look at that. It is so sparkly. Definitely a Christmas sparkly red, isn't it? It's so difficult to see, guys, on camera how pretty some of these are. They're absolutely stunning. I think I did end up putting the flash on my phone to show you. But yeah, this red is absolutely stunning. And it's just jam-packed as well. Really opaque. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I like it a lot. Yeah, my camera just doesn't show what I'm seeing. It is pretty. So, this is the green one. This is like liquid metallic chrome. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Let's give that a quick swatch as well. So the red one is like a sparkly glitter kind of sparkle, whereas this green one and the blue one that I'll show you next are more like metallic, like a really ultra fine shimmer. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? And yeah, they're really thick, strong colours. I'm really impressed with them actually. So this is the blue one. Again, just like the green. It's like liquid metallic. I love it. So I'll just let you watch this for a sec. I am just going to quickly show you the gold and silver. And then I think I'm just going to fly through the other colours very, very... Look at that blue. Oh, yeah, I'll let you watch just for a sec. How pretty are they, guys? I love them. I can see me using these a lot, actually. I really can. Don't forget, guys, I've got a permanent 10% off code for the Kredioo Amazon store. Go and check out what Black Friday deals they've got on. I'm sure they've always got deals on, and you can always use my code on top of these deals. So yeah, go and check them out, guys. So that is all the rest of the colours quickly swatched. I like that they've included a nude in there. I really like that nude. I really like that deep cherry plum kind of colour. They're just different colours, aren't they, to what you get in your standard nail art gel liner kits. And look at those for Christmas. You need these for Christmas, don't you? Definitely a Christmas collection. Definitely. Right, so I'm going to do just a quick, easy peasy, beginner friendly design. I've pulled out quite a few colours from Kredioo. I needed a pinky nudie nail bed, and I needed a white. So I'm going to start with this tip. This is going to have a full coat of white. I'm just going to do 2 really thin, even coats. With whites and blacks, you need them to be really thin coats, or else they will wrinkle in the lamp. Once you get rid of all that dust, stick it in the lamp, and I'm going to give that a quick second coat as well. Right, I've pulled out this shimmery pigment. It's not hollow or iridescent or anything. It just adds a sparkle and a shimmer to any colour. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm just patting that into the tacky layer of the gel. Just patting it into that tacky layer. And once I've patted it all in, I'm just going to brush off all that excess. Isn't that a pretty pigment? I love that. Just adds a little shimmer, don't it? So this nail, I'm going to use my Kiki London French tip brush, and this brush just helps you get, this is how I use it anyway, I like to get both sides the same. It just helps me get both sides exactly the same, and then I will go in with my detailer brush and just tidy it up. Yeah, this is perfect for just making sure you initially, to start with, get them sides even, exactly the same. So I'm just going to neaten it up with my detailer brush now. And then I will paint the free edge, and I'm going to do exactly the same with the pigment as what I did on the other nail. So this colour, C011, I think this is out the purple kit that Kredioo do. And I'm going to use this as my nail bed colour. I'm just going to use the brush out the bottle because I'm going to be putting a frame, a border around this smile line later in the video. So I didn't need it to be absolutely perfect. So I'm just doing one thin coat and I'll give it a second coat off camera. So onto this shimmery nail now. I'm just using an old matte top coat because you will get shimmer in it. So use an old one. I'm matte top coating it because I prefer to paint detail stuff on a matte surface. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm using the red. I had to use the red. Had to. And I'm just going to do a kind of, not a candy cane nail as such, but candy cane kind of vibes. And I'm just going to do two thickish stripes next to each other, just like this one. I'm going to do another one next to it, and then I'm going to do the same again at the top and the bottom of the nail. Just two thick stripes like this next to each other. These brushes are so nice to use. They're quite sturdy brushes. They're not flimsy or floppy, so they kind of just stay where you need them to stay, really. They are quite easy to use. I really like them. So this is where we're at. So these are the two nails now. I was making this up as I went along. So I'm going to paint one in this colour that I did the nail bed in. This is going to have two coats. I'm just going to show you doing one coat now. The video's ticking on. And the other nail I'm going to do in the white. Right, so these candy cane kind of nails, I'm going to give them a nice generous coat of Kredioo Super Top Coat, just so that I can give them a little buff because they're quite bumpy. So a nice generous layer of top coat, and I'm just going to go over them with a buffer off camera just to get them nice and smooth. So they've had a buff now, nice and smooth. I'm obsessive over smooth nails. So this foil is from Charlie's Nail Art. I'm just going to cut out that candy cane and a couple of little snowflakes. So this is 2 Big Lambs foil glue, my go-to foil glue. It's amazing. That cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to get these little transfer foil images stuck on. Candy cane, and I'll just show you doing one more snowflake at the top of the nail. So that's that nail done as well. I'm just going to get all that sealed in with the top coat as well. Stick that in the lamp. So all I'm going to do now is use the green slightly off camera. I'm so sorry. I'm just doing a little frame around that smile line with the green. I wish you could see what I could see with these liner gels. They're stunning. They really are. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and get these nails finished then. So these candy cane nails are the only ones that need top coating, and I've got a little holly leaf kind of charm from Charlie's Nail Art. I'm going to stick that on the white nail and that'll be them done. There we go guys, that is them finished. Quick, easy, simple set. I think this is one of them sets anybody could do. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave the links below for these liner gels. Don't forget to use my code and check out any deals that are on this week. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.